Anyway, what were we talking about? Yeah, if I have like feelings for someone, for sure, I'm gonna be shy and awkward. Diba?
Yeah.
But for some reason, that night, nung live with Eros, wait lang, may dumaan. Ewan ko, nung time na yun, parang, ang lakas ng loob ko nun.
Siguro influence din ng alcohol or...
Hindi rin naman ako sobrang nalasing nun.
Baka feelings mo lang talaga yun. Hindi na kinet.
Gina talaga ako nun.